I can't believe we're here for opening day at Galaxy's Edge!
Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Dude, there's nobody here.
I know, it's perfect. Let's do it!
Let's do it.
How did this happen? For Star Wars? What?
Oh, DJ Rex. I love screen-based attractions.
Me too.
I didn't know what lightsaber to make, so I just bought this $200 one.
You are the worst.
Can we just say, BB-8, we are so happy to be here on this day.
This is my BB-8 impression. Can we touch you, BB-8? Is that okay?
Dan,
Yes, Vincent?
I wish it was Galaxy's Edge opening every day.
Me too, Vincent. Me too.
What? This place has got Cars Land too.
Ka-chow!